In 1830, Samuel Morse began communication experiments at New York University and developed Morse Code, representing the alphabet with dots and dashes. In 1837, Morse and his partner Alfred Vail successfully converted Morse code into electrical signals, transmitting short and long beeps. The first experiment involved setting up a 2-mile telegraph line in Morristown, New Jersey, to send signals, and it was successful. In 1844, a commercial telegraph line was established between Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, successfully transmitting the message, "What hath God wrought?" This telegraph line was approximately 38 miles long. Using Morse code for communication required significant training, much like learning a new language. As technology advanced, electrical signals were eventually converted into voice signals, leading to the invention of the telephone.